Today's 2-minute tech tip is just a fun one on creating animated GIFs. So I have this video in YouTube, and I know that I've watched it. I want to create a GIF that starts at 1 minute right here with this dancer. So all I need to do is go to gifyoutube.com, and I'm going to take the URL from the YouTube video and I'm going to paste it in here. I know that I want the video to start at 1 minute, so I'm going to click there. I can adjust the time here if I need to, and say that I want it to be I want it to start maybe at 1 minute, 1 second, and I can adjust as needed. I can crop the video to take out the extra stuff that I don't want. Once I've got it, I click Create the GIF, I name it, I give it tags, I hit Next. I don't need the premium, so I'm just going to say no thanks. And then it gives me several links to copy from. I'm just going to copy this direct link. I'm going to go over to my Google Slides presentation, and I'm going to say Insert Image by URL. I'm going to paste that URL in, and then insert the GIF. And I can move that around, place it wherever I want. That's just a fun GIF. But one other way that I've used that is I created a screencast on how to log into Adobe Spark Enterprise. And when I uploaded that video to YouTube, I left it unlisted so that others wouldn't see it. But I pulled it into the gifyoutube.com and created a GIF to then put into a slide. This is something you could use with your students if you needed to give them directions on how to do something that they were going to be working on in class, and you could just leave that GIF up on the screen for students to see, and it just cycles over and over. Hope you find this GIF tutorial helpful and fun. Have a great day.